Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to manage camera access on Windows 11. Whether you want to enhance your privacy or control which apps can use your camera, this guide will show you exactly how to turn camera access on or off quickly and efficiently. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Next, in the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand side menu. Scroll down until you see Camera and click on it to open the camera settings. Once you are in the camera settings, you can turn on or off the camera access for your device by toggling the switch at the top. Additionally, you can scroll further to manage camera access for individual apps. Simply turn the switch on or off for each app, depending on whether you want it to have camera access. This allows you to control your privacy while still enabling trusted apps to use your camera when needed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching,